Hi, in this video I'll show you how to download Windows 10 and install in USB Media, and after that how to install Windows 10 in your PC. So to do that, first you have to search Windows 10 ISO file, media creation tool. So I'll search Windows 10 download, then I'll go to Microsoft's website. So if I go there, if I go bit down, then I'll see create Windows 10 installation media. So first I'll download now this tool, and if I click this software, then it will open one window. So first it will take 2 minutes to get few things ready. Also, in the meantime, we can download another software called Rufus to make bootable media. So first website, again, if I go bit down, I'll see Rufus 3.18. So I'll download this one. Let's see. So now uh, it's showing some notice and license terms. So I'll accept this. It will take again 1 or 2 minutes. Now I'll select create installation media because I want to make bootable my USB drive. So in this case, I'll unselect the recommended option. Now I'll select the language, then Windows 10 from here. And if you guys want to install 32-bit, then you can select this. So for my case, I'll install 64-bit. Then I'll press next. And obviously, I want to download ISO file because I'll do later the bootable device. And I'll save it anywhere. Yeah, so it will take like for me it will take 30 minutes to download 5 gigabyte file size. So I have downloaded the file. So now I'll cancel it, and yeah. So now I'll open Rufus, run as administrator, and here my bootable device, and I'll select the ISO file from desktop and Windows 10. And also the important thing is that my hard disk type is GPT, so I used already this, and rest of the setting should be on default mode. So now I'll press start and okay. Yeah, so already finished. The Windows already installed in my USB drive. So now I'll press close. So now if I go to my USB drive, I'll see all the setup file. So if I just restart my PC and press F12 or boot key, then I can easily select the bootable device and I can install Windows 10 on my PC again.